Hey there, so I was looking to the manual on the Silonn ice maker if it's not making ice on how we can possibly fix the issue. So when I just read here, ice making cycle is normal but not ice is produced. Making ice taking too much time, the water temperature is too low. So try to see if your room temperature should be the 15 to 105. Water temperature should be 40 to minus 90. So this is the first thing. The second thing that you can try, maybe this is going to fix the issue, maybe not. What you can try to do is that when you have the Silonn ice maker, try to just like unplug it, get all the ice out there, unplug it, let it dry off for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then plug it back in after those 15 minutes, and maybe it's going to fix the issue. If not, I'm sorry, I tried to also research how you can possibly fix it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.